office. First up tonight, some welcome news for a lot of folks. The end of the pandemic could be in sight here. Leaders with the World Health Organization making that statement this week as globally new COVID deaths reach a pandemic low.
WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner is live in Uptown. Chloe, what do experts say we need to be doing to ensure we stay moving in the right direction?
Yeah, hey, Fred and Vanessa, it's easy to only focus on what's happening here in our local community or even the state or country, but COVID really has been a global pandemic. And as long as the virus is still spreading in other parts of the world, new variants can pop up and eventually make its way here. So the World Health Organization put out 6 key initiatives that every country needs to be taking so that we can put this behind us. For the first time in 2.5 years, a hopeful outlook for the future.
We have never been in a better position to end the pandemic. We're not there yet, but the end is in sight.
Globally, new cases are decreasing and new weekly deaths have reached their lowest point since March 2020. There were still 11,000 deaths around the world last week, but that's a 22% decrease from the week before. In the United States, on average, just under 500 people are still dying from COVID each week.
Now is the time to run harder and make sure we cross the line and reap the rewards of all our hard work.
The World Health Organization outlining the steps every country should take to reduce the spread of COVID and diagnose and treat it so fewer people die. It includes continuing to test and vaccinate the most vulnerable populations.
If we don't take this opportunity now, we run the risk of more variants, more deaths, more disruption, and more uncertainty.
There's a growing supply of the new bivalent booster shots targeting the most contagious variants. Doctors say if more people get them sooner rather than later, the upcoming fall and winter could be a milder COVID season than the past 2.
Let's keep in mind that the pandemic is not over. We want to get on with our lives, but we can get on with our lives and our daily routines even better if we get vaccinated and keep ourselves and those around us safer.
So deaths are decreasing here in Mecklenburg County, too. The latest data shows that in a 2-week period, there were 4 COVID deaths. So some proof that we are not quite out of this yet, and it is still impacting families here locally. Live in Uptown, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.